What is up everybody, welcome to GysticTutorials, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can hide your friends list on Facebook. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is open up Facebook, obviously, and then make sure you're in your account by clicking on your profile up at the top here, in the toolbar, and then you want to go to friends, which is next to about and photos, so click on friends, and I have no friends, but I can still do this. So you want to click on the pencil in the top right that says manage. And then once you click on it, this thing will pop up saying edit privacy. Click on that. And here is where you can choose who sees your friends list and who sees who you're following. So I'm gonna actually choose only me to see who I'm following. And for my friends list, only friends can see it, not public. So if you choose the custom option, it'll come up with this. And you can enter certain people's names that you want to see your friends list. But I don't want that because it takes too much time. So I'm just gonna leave it on friends, and then once you're done with this, just go ahead and click done. And then it will save, and now only friends can see my profile, and we are done. So no more creeps seeing who I'm friends with. Hell yeah. Alright, that is it from me everybody. I hope this video did help you. If it did, please hit that like button, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you need any help, be sure to leave a comment. I'll try to reply to every comment to help you guys out. And that is it from me everybody. Peace out.